here. Thank you so much for joining me. Om Adyaye Namaha. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. It really helps me out. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. And if you'd like more exclusive occult videos that I don't post on YouTube, consider subscribing to my Patreon. It also helps to support this channel. Okay, just a very short video about luxury brands being exposed and the astrology breakdown. On April 12th, we had the full moon in Chitra Nakshatra, which is ruled by Vishwakarma, who is the architect, who's all about creating on the material plane. He's also the creator of everything in the physical world, and everything in this world is Maya. It's illusion. It is illusion because the physical world is a projection of the mind. Vishwakarma is a master of magic and illusions, and rules over fashion and glamour. Well, this moon exposed what was hidden, and so did Jupiter in Magashira Nakshatra, which is the mirage that we chase, thinking things are greener on the other side. Siddha wanted to possess a gold deer, which was actually a demon and got lost in the illusion. This is what Jupiter is going to do here. It's going to create a lot of more illusions, but because we have Mars aspecting Saturn and Rahu, this is exposing the illusions. So Saturn and Rahu were in Purva Bhadrapada, which is the dark agenda of the elites. Because of the fashion brands being exposed, in most cases were completely made in China and only assembled and logos stapled onto them in places like Italy, and said they were made completely in Italy. Yet we were told they were custom made. Rolex, Louis Vuitton, Birkin, Lululemon, all these brands were exposed by China as retaliation for the tariffs placed by Trump. For example, $40,000 bag that you see a lot of celebrities carrying, it was exposed to be only worth around $500. This is illusion. China is now promoting the factory where you can buy these items directly and even giving out free shopping tourist visas with cash back from your purchases. Many are taking this opportunity to build their own luxury brands. This is changing luxury brands forever, and they're now losing billions of dollars from being exposed. This is right before Ketu enters Leo, which creates a split from celebrities and leaders. This is China's nodal return in the 9th house with Ketu and the 3rd house with Rahu, where China starts taking steps towards its destiny, which requires it to gain through its own self-efforts, rather than relying on others or foreign nations. The moon at this time was in its 9th house of foreign affairs, conjunct its natal Ketu, which is the co-lord of its 11th house of alliances and gains. And this was conjunct its Mercury in Hasta, which is working with the hands, which is also the 6th lord of conflicts and enemies, and its sun, which is the leader, but also it is the 8th house lord of transformation. Because of this nodal reversal, you will now see China no longer relying on foreign nations, but rather foreign nations coming to them, and now taking its success into its own hands, which will create enemies, but will expand its opportunities on the global market for the next 9 years. So that's just a little bit about what I see, and I'll definitely update you in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one.